All right, this is the single arm goblet squat. So this is a great exercise to further ingrain that squat movement pattern, adding in some strength and also some core activation. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our kettlebell. If you don't have a kettlebell, it's okay to use a dumbbell. And how we're gonna hold it is hold it on the outside of our wrist. So again, the bell itself is just resting on the outside of my wrist right here. And again, the idea is we're keeping the bell as close to the body as possible, and then we're just gonna do the same squat. So again, squat, I'm unlocking at the hips, coming down into a squat, coming back up. Squat, up. And then same thing on the other side, gripping the bell, resting on the outside, keeping the weight as close to the body as possible, and squat, and up. There you have it.